All the way through, Ethan. You were doing it earlier. Alright, Levi, your turn. Your turn. Alright, Ethan, no. Levi's crawling through. Okay. Your turn. Go. Alright, then it'll be okay. Your fingers, buddy. Oh, you gave him a toy now. Who won't come out? Uh-oh. I think he's stuck. You can get out. You got out earlier. Come here. Come crawl to us. Put your head down. Put your head down and go out. There you go. Oh, put your head down. Oh, you did it.
I will help. I was just trying. But a little help.
All right, Ethan, you want to crawl through? Oh.
No.
Following Ethan to his room. Good time.